This is a Walmart Beauty unboxing. This box comes 4 times a year. It costs $5.37 with tax. There's no shipping, it's just $5 and then there's tax. So let's see what we got in here. It gives you a little brochure that has some info. And we got a deodorant, Degree. I like Degree. Is this a spray or is this a roll-on or something? Well, if it will let me get the cap off. Well, it's a spray, but I have to fix the top. So, it's a spray. I like sprays. I know they're probably not good for the environment, but I like them. Cetaphil Daily. I love any kind of moisturizer. I love going with those. Number 7, Advanced Retinol Night Concentrate. I've only tried a retinol one time before, and I think what happened is I overused it because it really my skin did not like it. I was using it every night, and I think I just need to start off with like a couple times a week maybe on my use it instead of a mask kind of thing, which I usually only do a couple times a week. So that's what I'll put this under, is the mask area. Extra. And then here is Longwear setting spray. I don't really like setting sprays, but I prefer gels or mousses, but we will give it a go. 12-hour water, okay. And then My Bite, guilt-free chocolatey vitamins, yum. Okay. I usually just swallow mine. So is this a pill? Or is this a, nope, it's an actual snacky snack. Snacky snack. So this is, looks like it's the blue one, which is the multivitamin. So I'm not sure which multivitamins are in here. So I might have to look, oh, I have other flavors too. Looks like I have, whoops, I got 4 of them. Oh, it looks like one of each. So we got a multi-hers, energy, straight multi, and a calcium. Since it doesn't say which ones are in there. I mean, that one does. Calcium plus D and K. And that's boost your energy with caffeine and B vitamins. I'm not really a caffeine person, but I'll have to do a little bit more research, make sure so I don't over vitaminize myself. Is that a word? Vitamize? Not sure if that's a word or not. And this is just a single use dry skin gel. Probably not enough for the whole body, but I'll be able to do my arms or something. Oh, and that's just the, it came undone. So for $5, that's what you get. It's a nice way to sample things. So I will put the links to this information, and please comment, share, like. I appreciate your support.